what's up? This is Antoneosoul, and breaking news. We are live at the Green Spoon Kitchen Studios. Today, we want to teach you how to make a cappuccino from the comfort of your home. All you need is Zawadi Coffee, no other coffee, and you need some milk. It's very important for you to understand that a cappuccino is just made with a lot of froth and a little bit of coffee. But most importantly, the froth has to be 65 degrees thereabout. But don't worry about all the stuff. I will teach you how to do it thanks to Zawadi Coffee, which, by the way, is made by our amazing women who own Zawadi Coffee. They've gifted us this gift of coffee. It is certified by Fairtrade, the most trusted and the most recognizable sustainable label in the world. And we're gonna start with some flushing, flush. Okay, so guys, once you place your Zawadi Coffee here, please don't be in the business of going to do something else. Then you come back, you pick a call, say, oh my because once you start doing this and then you put it back again inside, it will burn. Itachomeka, itaungua, itashura. You get what I mean? Comprende? Cool. Then now we are gonna place our beautiful cappuccino cup right there, and then we do the process of making the coffee. Yeah! So remember, guys, that the coffee that you're using to make your cappuccino is a quarter of the cup. Whatever cup you're using at home, whatever you're doing, but it must be a quarter of the cup, because remember, cappuccino, more frothing, very little coffee. See? Now it's time for the frothing. Chemusha, froth. Slowly pick up your coffee. Keep stirring it also. You tilt it towards you like that. And then now you can begin to place the coffee up, down, down. Hey, you guys, I'm trying. It's coming. Yeah, I did it. Oh my God, you guys, I tried. Make sure you get yourself Zawadi Coffee from Green Spoon, the website or the app.